Anything you add in the chicken feeds increase the kilograms of feeds and the days these feeds have to be consumed by the chicken. At this point, my chicken have laid for 5 months now, and their percentage of laying is still high. Now I'm going to share with you tips on the chicken feeds, how to prepare it, ingredients that you need to put in their feeds to make your chicken laying and enjoy maximum egg production. So welcome to this farm, and you're really welcome on this channel. This is our poultry farm, whereby we raise our chicken for eggs and we sell the chicken every after 2 years of raising the chicken. The 6 months of raising the chicken plus 1.5 years of laying, making 2 years old chicken, and that is the time when we sell our chicken. Before we sell our chicken, we make sure that we provide each and everything that they need so that they keep on laying until when they are tired, when they have grown older. We give them all the ingredients that they need in their feeds, treat them where necessary, give them the quality feeds, increase on their nutrients where necessary, and to maximize their egg production, we make sure that we buy chicken feeds when they are cheap so that we can feed our chicken fully in the day. And this has helped us to keep them laying throughout the season where we need them to lay. Now let's begin. We started with maize bran on the floor, broken maize, and on this farm we mix up 2 tons of feeds every 7 days. And in every 100 kilograms of maize bran, we add in 18 to 20 kilograms of fish. That is a protein that it contains all the nutrients that makes the chicken lay the eggs. So fish for the laying chicken has to be between 18 to 20 kilograms. Then we add in the limestone and snail shells to harden the eggshells and also the bones of the chicken. The work is done by the limestone or snail shells. We also use premix. It contains vitamins that helps the chicken lay eggs, increase the productivity of the chicken. Cotton, that is what we started with in the beginning of this video. We add in cotton to increase the fats of the chicken, sunflower to balance the fats of the chicken. We add in sunflower that is in powder form so that each chicken can consume a particle of sunflower to balance the body fats. A concentrate and salt, human salt. A concentrate, we use 5% of a concentrate, any kind of a concentrate, whatever works for you, you can use it. For us, we add in 50 kilograms of our concentrate, 5% in all the tons of 2 tons that we mix every 7 days, because for us the main ingredient that we use as our protein is fish. So the concentrate is an additional ingredient on this farm. These feeds are mainly mixed up 4 times so that all the ingredients are mixed up together and each chicken can consume each ingredient that can make the chicken lay an egg every day. The moment we delay giving our chicken greens, for example the pumpkin leaves, any kind of greens that you've been seeing me giving my chicken, I mix dry fruits in the feeds of the chicken. For example, orange peels, guava fruits, even the dry greens, I mix them in the chicken feeds to make this chicken lay bigger eggs. And they provide vitamins, increase the vitamins in the feeds of the chicken. With the addition of extra greens and fruits, the chicken will start to lay extra bigger eggs. So That is what I've been doing ever since I started poultry. And when I discovered that each kilogram that you add in the chicken feeds increases on the kgs of the feeds, and also the days these feeds have to be consumed by the chicken, the days that these feeds have to spend, all last